How great managers improve teamwork and productivity with check-in meeting and PPP methodology. With great planning also comes great progress. How the morning start and whether things have been efficiently organized or not will determine if this will be a productive day. This is why the daily morning check-in is so important, as it brings the issue for the day. This way, the team can address them throughout the day. In this regard, you can also mix the PPP methodology in there to help keep a better eye on things. What exactly is PPP? A PPP is actually short for Plan, Progress, Problem. It is a management technique that is used for daily, weekly, or monthly report. In other words, the recurring type. In this case, these reports are made every morning before the team start working. To put it as simply as possible, with a Plan, Progress, Problem management technique, someone has to report 3 to 5 goals, the achievement and the challenges from the point of the report. This way, they should be able to efficiently track the tasks and challenges of the day. It is meant to get everyone on the same page, to remind them of the issue so that they do not get sidetracked. Miguel, the CEO of Brandon, said, "It works great because it keeps everyone in the team informed." Now, let's try to breaking down this PPP. PPP is used to communicate 3 major aspects regarding a project or a plan for the day. Now, it is progress, problem, and plans. They are as informal as they are informative. When you use them during the daily check-in meeting, they will cover the issue and goal of the day. What they will have to address. Here is each point briefly explained. Number 1, plans. These are your objective and goal throughout the next reporting period. In this case, until the next morning. What it is that you are planning to do next. What is your next step going to be? This section tackles that part. And the next one is progress. Here, you can find and finish item and the things that you have accomplished so far. To this point, what have you managed to do? Have you completed the plans that you presented in yesterday morning check-in? That is where you check off the list. And the last one is problems. While the previous point addressed the positive, this one addressed the negative. Here, you may find a problem that you and your team were not able to finish. These problems often suggest that you will require help from other people as well. The reason may vary, going from unexpected happenings and external factor to waiting behind other members of the team. Things. What are the problems that you are currently facing? The Plan, Progress, Problem PPP management techniques is used by a variety of successful companies and startups to keep their goals and problems in mind. This way, they will be able to increase productivity by checking out their accomplishment and addressing their problems. Using PPP methodology during morning check-in. PPP methodology has been shown to build the team culture and to promote the overall efficiency of a team. Here are the benefits that a great manager reap by including a daily check-in meeting in the morning. Number 1, it keeps the team focused when you have so many members on your team. It may be rather difficult to keep your eye on the prize, so to speak. That being said, the PPP method used during a morning check-in will keep the team focused on the goal, showing each of them exactly where they are. The risk of getting sidetracked or confused during a project will be much lower if everything is presented briefly, yet religiously every morning. It creates history. This approach documents the progress of your team in the form of quick updates, which helps in creating history. Over time, this should help you keep track of what you have done and where you have gotten in your growth plan. Moreover, this track record is very convenient to have around when you are coming up with the report for your investor and potential customer. This way, you should be able to show them your progress and prove that you are a worthy company to invest in. Plus, this history will help improve teamwork, as it shows exactly what members handle what tasks. This should keep the team organized, as they will have a history of how things used to be handled. And next, it cuts meeting time. When you use daily morning check-in and PPP methodology, you cut the time you usually spend in meeting. This meeting will practically send out short updates, keeping every team member in a loop. This way, they will work together efficiently because they will also know exactly what they have to do. And now, here are the 7 points of how PPP improve effectiveness. Number 1, PPP create a structured log of progress and allow managers to identify problems early. By putting everything in writing, teams avoid unnecessary miscommunication. A manager can reference the PPP documents at any time, allowing them to judge progress, offer help to anyone that is struggling with problem, and assign tasks effectively. And next one is, it is cost effective. Instead of paying every employee to sit in a potentially lengthy or irrelevant meeting, PPP allows managers to keep a fingers on the pulse of their project or the plan without disrupting the team's productivities. And PPP is fast. The PPP template only takes minutes to fill up and will be stored in the Doerhrm system. The return on investment relative to the amount of time necessary to complete the task is huge. And it is simple. Every status update involves answering the same set of simple questions. These reports are brief and specific. And number 5, improve accountabilities. When goals are shared with colleagues, team members are more likely to follow through with them. They know someone is counting on them. And number 6 is, it helps connect the managers to the team and the team to the managers. Instead of ineffective or inefficient meeting at irregular interval, regular progress reporting keeps the line of communication open and making the accomplishment expectation clear. And number 7, PPP improve transparency. Teams members regularly report on their activities and managers respond to those reports. Employee issues are addressed before they can spin out of control. Everyone on the team is aware of what everyone else is meant to be working on. And ideally, a manager should submit his or her PPP report to the team so the transparency works both ways. And the last, PPP also improve commitment. Because PPP involves small actionable steps, teams members are less likely to become overwhelmed. Once the manager approves the week's specific plans, employees have a tangible reference to refer to. And here are some tips for implementing PPP effectively. Number 1, keep it short but rich in information. Second is, have a maximum of 5 to 7 items in each category. No more. No one really reads long reports. Write the report so it is understandable to others and not just yourself. Keep it regular and make it a requirement. Consistency is the key to forming an habit. And next one is, when dealing with problem, try to focus on how to help to deal with problem through collaboration and team building. And remember, do not see problem as personal failure. Next is, keep it in writing. Having written material to refer to provide a long-lasting reference. And follow up. Every submitted report is the opportunity to start a conversation. It is the best time to coach your team, offer help, and give praise. And the last one is about final thought. As you can see, the plan, progress, problem, PPP management technique used at the daily morning check-in is a great way to keep your team informed and organized. This way, since they will know everything they have to do, their teamwork will also improve. And through updating people, we can reduce or eliminate wastage of time and effort away from what really matters, which is building the companies. For your convenience, Doerhrm take care of all the tedious process of chasing everyone down, making them send you their individual done items and compiling everything into an understandable weekly report. Now, we have something prepared for you. A gift for SME, the small and medium enterprise. It is free. We created check-in platform with plan, progress, problem, PPP management technique, and weekly customizable KPI to help you to improve employee engagement, teamwork, and productivity. It is completely free. You can visit our website www.doerhrm.com and register as a user by clicking the button of sign up for free and learn how to use from the tutorial prepared, or you can contact our customer success team for assistance. It will help you to improve your team commitment and accountability so that you can achieve your goal faster than you ever thought possible. Remember, productivity is never an accident. It is always the result of a great planning, aligned focus effort, and the team follow-through commitment. So your responsibility right now is to take the first step. Come to register at our website and start using the PPP platform for free. And until then, I will see you next time.